Every individual is born with the traits that make us different from each other. Today you can hear about a 25-year-old who acts like a toddler. Manrit is a 25-year-old Indian man who goes by the name Manrit Singh. He was born in 1995 and he reached the height he must have reached in a year at the age of 25. The parents of this boy sought medical advice and the doctors suggested that it might be attributed to a hormone disorder. As a result, this 25-year-old boy who is unable to communicate and relies on his parents for assistance, and now his parents are unable to provide for him. So he's living with his aunt and uncle. Well folks, the voice is now yours in the comment section below. What do you think? And thank you for watching Saint TV. And please make sure to subscribe, like and comment. For now, it's goodbye.